Back at the book segment tonight, did you see that? We begin with Professor William Penn, who teaches English at Michigan State University, the Spartans. In his first class this semester, Penn said this.
If you go to a Republican convention in Florida, you see all those old people, all the dead skin cells wafting off them. They're cheap. They don't want to pay taxes because they've already raped this country and gotten everything out of it they possibly could. They don't want to pay for your tuition because who are you? Republicans are not a majority in this country anymore. They're a bunch of dead white people or dying white people. Republicans, forgive me. If your parents are Republicans, forgive me. They won't, and I don't care. But we don't mean to offend you. Even if you are a Republican, I don't mean to offend you in this class. Outside of class is a different matter.
That seems to be worth the tuition, doesn't it? Now, the student who taped that wants to remain anonymous, but he might be here tomorrow. So we might be getting this guy tomorrow. Here now to explain further, Juliet Huddy. All right, so that you had professors like that, right? Republicans are dead, well, they're dead white people.
But typically they were political science professors. This
is
guy
an English guy,
creative writing English professor.
And his grammar was not that great in that little rant there.
You know, this was a 9-minute tape, and it was like Bizarro land, just watching the whole thing kind of unfold. Suddenly you could hear people in the audience, and I think they were not sure whether or not he was kind of joking or he seriously was going after Republicans like this, but it just kept getting weirder and weirder. He went off on Ann Romney, of all people.
Yeah, I mean, but what does the university do about this?
The university is looking into it. They say that they're investigating it. But this is not the first time this guy has done this before.
He's
known for it.
He's crazy.
People have taken his classes.
Do you know if he has tenure? I should have looked that up.
I don't know that he has tenure right now because we actually tried to find out what his story was, and the university doesn't have his information handy, they said.
But they're looking into it, though.
And I actually did try to call him, but he never called me back. I told him I was from the O'Reilly Factor.
He didn't call you back, Huddy?
I mean,
now he's in serious trouble. All right, so this guy, we're going to follow the story and see if Michigan State says, you know what, maybe that's inappropriate in an English class. Okay.